subject. For our next subject
Thank you
is...
for making these fun arts.
Ay, wait lang po. Zari. Wait lang po. Zari, what's your score?
Sorry, left.
Why? Wait lang po. I'll try to call Zari. Oh, there are Zari here. Zari, what's your score? Hey, what's your score? Zari. Zaria. Eunice, what's your score? Izzy, what's your score? Matt, what's your score?
Out of 5. Sorry. Teacher, 5 out of 5.
Okay. Okay, how about Zari? Zari, what's your score? You did not tell us your score. Okay, 5 out of 5. Thank you, Zari. Okay, now let's move on to